The grind culture is a trap designed to keep you busy, not effective. Today, you will learn 4 smart habits to replace brute force with intelligent action and double your output. Watch until the end, because the final habit is what separates amateur hard workers from masters. Stop multitasking. Your brain is not designed for constant context switching. Instead, dedicate entire days or large blocks of time to a single task category. This is called task batching. It eliminates the mental friction of changing gears. Your focus deepens, allowing you to enter a state of flow much faster. Monday is for marketing. Tuesday is for creative work. Wednesday is for meetings. Your brain anticipates the work, reducing decision fatigue and startup time significantly. Grinding is jumping from emails to reports to calls, achieving nothing substantial. Themed days create momentum, turning small efforts into massive completed projects. Plan your week with clear themes. Protect these blocks of time ruthlessly. You will accomplish more in 3 focus days than most do in a week. The grinder believes rest is for the weak. This is a fatal misconception. Your greatest insights often come when your mind is at rest, not under pressure. This is the default mode network in your brain activating to solve background problems. Schedule your downtime with the same seriousness you schedule your work. Take a 15-minute walk without your phone after every 90-minute work session. This is not laziness. It is a biological requirement for high performance. Chronic stress from grinding elevates cortisol, which literally destroys brain cells. Burning out is not a badge of honor. It is a sign of poor strategy. True professionals know that managing energy is more important than managing time. Define a clear end of workday and completely disconnect. No exceptions. You're doing great. Take a deep breath. Now we get to the real secrets. The Pareto principle states that 80% of your results come from 20% of your efforts. Grinders spend their time on the 80% of tasks that yield minimal results. Each morning, ask yourself, what are the 3 tasks that will move the needle today? This single question forces you to separate busyness from actual effectiveness. Identify your 20% activities and ruthlessly eliminate or delegate the rest. Success is not about doing more things. It's about doing more of the right things. Answering every email immediately feels productive, but it's rarely a high-leverage task. You will work fewer hours but see your output and impact multiply exponentially. Conduct a weekly review to identify and double down on your most effective actions. This is the ultimate antidote to the busy but broke syndrome. This is the final and most critical shift you must make. Grinding is mindless repetition. Deliberate practice is focused, intentional improvement. Don't just do the work. Identify a specific skill you want to improve. You need to operate just outside your comfort zone where real growth occurs. Set a clear goal for each session, like write a more compelling introduction. After you perform the task, you must immediately seek and analyze feedback. This feedback loop is the engine of rapid skill acquisition and mastery. A grinder works 10 hours doing the same thing. A master practices for 2 hours. The master gets exponentially better, while the grinder simply gets more tired. This habit separates the amateur who works hard from the professional who gets results. Apply this to everything: your communication, your craft, even your planning. Stop grinding. Start working with intelligence, intention, and strategic rest. Remember this forever. Consistency will always beat short-term, brutal intensity. To commit to this new path, comment the single word "focused" below.